Friday.
Good evening and welcome on top of the night show for today. My name is Nanedu _ me, Katim, and Easy B. Don't sit down for inside studio to make sure your evening goes sweet. Where some of you are going to ask, say, where Pastor Yan day? I can't see him. I can't see him. When I go down carry Bible and people sit down, make not vex. Pastor Yan not there around today in the Ogun State for Waka of the ministry. We ain't carry go there. Anyway, as Pastor Yan not there, he gets some kind of topic where people don't send us state. In fact, one particular one, the guy don't disturb us state. Say mo could check out for the matter. Anyway.
Meantime, yours be careful this Ember month. Nkambo, they are busy tipping people things. You know, say ireti doy.
Yes. No, traffic na that one happen.
That's what I'm saying. Nowadays.
Well, our government for Lagos State need to do something about this traffic stealing.
True. I don't know whether
exactly for that Bongo area, as in.
They go yours, they begin, when are supposed to take precaution, they go yours begin distract you for inside your motor. By the time you turn here.
My welcome to Lagos, where they do me. For my two. You get one small Sony Ericsson phone. Why they use that time?
You hold up a hand like this?
No, you don't know. I mean, no now.
Hey.
I dey boss. I dey boss. I can't dey back. You know that that big boss.
I know.
I can't dey back. Second to the last seat.
Yes.
When they be say you go past 3 rows before you come down.
Yes.
That's how I dey for window side. I dey listen to music. I dey press.
Hey.
I dey press.
Now in person yours.
From mile 2 there. Now the next one here now. Whoop. I see where the guy they wrong go. I said, try. How I want to come down? The guy go down.
How you want to pass those 3 seats?
First 3 say, hey, boss, stop. The guy go down side the phone, even chop the money before I come down.
So a person must
I beg, make we government do something.
You're there vigilant. Open your eye. Because inside, you don't say no way where you go inside go slow. No way. You go come. How you want
but this one, the one that happened yesterday, between Obalene and Tottenham Bridge, when they say area boys is cut. Then they bust people with glass, they hit them. Ireti Doyle where they act. Then won't your hand now. Then tear her hand now.
You see the picture.
Surgery, then the hand sew her hand now. She gets 6 stitches for her hand. Then move plenty things from her.
Shatter the window of her motor.
Not really her. Plenty of other people when they say they rob yesterday. Anyway, welcome on top of the night show. You get one particular topic when we say we go check out on top. And since last week, the guy don't send this thing. But because of say we tell when we go start last week Friday, we'll not start them. But before we tell on that topic, this one I talk about on top radio today. I go talk am here again today. As a Katim they won, make una dey careful for road. Guys, before na girls then they won now. Say make girls not they enter lift. Now, guys, I'm warning you people now.
Don't
be careful. Yes. They can't lift so you they enter. This one happened for South Africa.
In fact, yours the waka they go your own. You get more peace of mind.
Enter bus or trek.
Yes.
This one now for South Africa. This guy for the Limpopo area of South Africa.
Yes.
The guy just they road. They look for lifts. BMW girls they carry BMW 3 girls now so they stop ask am where they go. The guy saying they go Limpopo now so the guy enter as he dey inside the motor now one of the girl where they back where they drink mango juice the guy come offer them do you want mango juice now so the guy say yes
I don't mind
they collect mango juice they drink. When did they he glow? Before anything happen, he begin feel one kind. As he dey feel one kind, a machine gun, pra. Now so the thing
inside the bus,
inside the car, no but inside BMW car.
Okay, give a link.
Now so they drive the guy enter bush. My sisters and brothers
they
in the
don't even carry him go house.
They not carry him go
inside
house.
bush tract.
At gunpoint, then carry him one climb, wham, come out. One climb, wham, watam, come out. The other one climb, he watam. 3 of them rape this guy. Collect him phone. Collect everything when he was there for the guy
collect
pocket.
Everything within and without. Collect everything for inside in body.
Now the guy can't go politician go to report. I wonder how the guy go take report.
I go. They wonder how the police station people go to listen to him. You say no. Policemen.
Excuse me.
Policemen.
I has been raped. They make me feel like I am serious.
You say you don't understand this thing I'm telling you. They will look at this.
So therefore, I beg, before I talk what I want to talk now, if they want give you lift, you be man. If na woman only had this able to order be few. Get two of them, make them recite Psalm 121 for you. Or Psalm 23. Or Romans chapter 2 verse 3. Or Revelation chapter 7 verse 2.
Or if they carry all these big jeep self come, tell them say you go sit down for boot. Yours so that
sit down for boot.
If there's anything,
you go fit open them.
Come down,
please.
Take off.
It's not be play with they play here.
Even here for Nigeria, you know say this thing, na ember month. All this thing where would they talk so? Na ember month.
The person when they be say go rape you, you go dey happy say they rape you. Person like Genevieve or Beyonce. What happened? It's Beyonce. Beyonce raped me.
Make me feel like a man.
Make
me feel like your video man. Your video.
Somebody they talk. No, this will not be play again. I remember another. Somebody they talk say, you get how you go take person will give you HIV, you go dey proud. If person like Beyonce give you HIV, her HIV na strawberry HIV. Or person like Nicki Minaj give you chocolate HIV, you go dey proud. You get HIV. Man, Nicki Minaj.
I don't blame them now because say all those things you feel control them now, but still on still.
I beg, man, I did very careful. Man, I did very careful. This is not ember months now we did.
We don't enter November, it's still Baba ember. Then remain 2 more ember months.
And now people hide it here to look for get Christmas money. So I beg, Mokuna dey very careful.
And another thing, everybody they carry themselves go inside church on 31st. Now there where armed robber and thief they wait everybody because they know say when you come out from church your body go just come down. You go just they whistle they go. As you they go, yours they careful. Look to your right, look to your left. Make you they look well before you cross. Now be that one.
Now the topic of today. Now one guy will send message last week Tuesday.
We don't go break, come back.
And I'm going to tell them they will go break, come back.
Okay.
I don't know, are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
Now on Tuesday night, this guy sent this thing. Apparently the guy traveled. As that thing happened, now the guy travel. As the flow talk so now, the guy never go back house. He say until we discuss this matter before him go back house. If the guy get proper answer today,
yes,
him go live where in day. I know I will nearly call the place where in travel go. He go live where waiting day there. He go Abuja. If he go live Abuja, come back to Lagos. Now in they watch this program in the Abuja now as with the flow talk so now they watch this program. Now what thing happen? We don't use play talk this thing one time. Not knowing say this kind of thing they happen. But see, it finally happened. This guy, in mama come from Owuri, come stay for their house. And in just married, he day with his wife, he day with
okay, another one.
He day with his wife, he day with him, then 2 days. Not being the guy come back house. Now businessman, they go come back house.
As normal something.
He go and he not see mama. He can't enter room go meet his wife. In wife, they room, they cry.
Yes.
What thing happen, honey? He say, the guy, mama,
slap
her.
Yes.
You won't believe what happened. Your mother slapped me. He said the mama drag the hair. He said the mama slap her, drag her hair. Come to show the guy the thing. Now, the guy now, in that vexing of body, make him go meet him mama, discuss the mama's, what thing happen when you slap my wife? The mama too, they cry. Say, in wife, slap her. The guy just say, oh, he sleep for house that night. The next thing in the morning, he waka come out. Till now, he never go house.
He say no understand.
He not understand how he go take settle this matter. So you wait there now. I beg. We want back small chicken break. When we come back, make una begin the colors. How you go take advise this man make him settle this quarrel? In wife say, in mama slap him.
Pulling hair, dragging hair. In mama, he go enter room, mama they cry.
Say in wife,
say that that's your wife. That's your no don't talk to me. Now the kind of woman when you bring come house, say the woman slap him.
I should say that woman not like that woman, the wife.
Why you go think say maybe the wife self they
anyway,
all these things.
Me so that the woman go
happy. Now.
Anyway, more gas more chicken break. I beg when you come back, we go begin taking a phone call.
If you know just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.